Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up your account in HostGator. So the first step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in HostGator. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of the official website of HostGator, and here on the top right corner you can see the sign in option here. If you hover your mouse there, you can see two different options. You can sign in into your portal, or you can go right into the builder by clicking here on website builder. Now to sign in, click on website builder. After that you can see the sign in option here, but to sign up for your account you can see sign up link on the bottom, click on it. After that you have different options here to sign up to your account. You can directly sign up to your account with your Google, or you can directly sign up through your Facebook. Here I am using my email and password to sign up, so type in your email. Now after you type in your email and your password, simply click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to sign up to your account in HostGator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.